this woman doing laundry like it's a normal day.
Wait, bro, why does the washing machine have a mouth? And why does it look like it's breathing? I'll tell you what happened next.
But first, if you think this puppy is cute, like and subscribe. But I know you won't ignore it because only kind people care for animals like this one. Now, look at this poor cat, abandoned and scared, hiding from the rain. Press like and subscribe and leave a heart to show you care. May Jesus bless your family with peace and love. Now, back to the washing machine. She said it started whispering, "Feed me more clothes." So if your washing machine ever looks alive, don't wash your clothes there because it might wash you instead.